How are you feeling about the audition?
Well, where do I start? I'm kind of nervous, but super excited, actually. I can't believe this is happening now, like at
Yeah, it's amazing.
our age.
How are you feeling about maybe... I didn't realise that you could possibly record an album at the end of it.
I'm like, I don't know how to feel about that because I've never actually thought of like recording stuff and
No.
like putting it on the internet and stuff like that. I've never actually thought of stuff like that.
No, and just, to be only 11 and
Have my own album.
that'd be crazy, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Imagine that.
How do you feel about this school competition? Like, how confident are you?
Well, to be honest, like I'm really nervous, not gonna lie, but like I just know that I've got all you, my family, and everything to back me up. So I'm not super nervous. I'm just a little nervous.
So how are you feeling about getting through?
I'm really excited to see how far I go in the competition.
I know you can do this. You are so talented. I know you got this.
How do you feel about entering Talent Search Cymru? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
So, with this competition now, you just gotta be you, show everybody what you're capable of, innit? Be confident, because you've got a lot of support and we know you can smash it. I used to play piano way back when as a child. My mum always had one, but I can't read music, and I had one lesson with a woman called Mrs. Apple and we disagreed with each other. So that's where it ended. But no, and then so from the keyboard I then went on Gumtree and got a piano for free.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so no, I class myself as a pianist. However,
Yeah,
it is mainly one-handed playing, and yeah.
I know for a fact, regardless of what the outcome is, you're going to do really, really well. And I'm going to support you the whole way, obviously, as well as your family.
I'm really proud of you for getting through, and I wish you the bestest luck ever.
Thank you very much.
And I hope you make it through.
I'm really excited and I can't wait.
Oh, I'm glad. Well, me, Dad, and the girls are all proud of you. And no matter the outcome, you just got to think of the experience that you're going to go through. And as you always do your best. You've got a big personality and everyone loves you for it. And I'm sure it will show in the competition.
Well, I'm really excited, really, to see where you're going to go with this competition because you blow our minds when you sing. It's absolutely amazing. Grandpa and I are so proud of you. And we're going to share this journey, hopefully, for quite a while and become professional in the family.
You just need to believe in yourself. Like, that's the biggest thing, because that is something that you tend to struggle with. But if you believe in yourself, you're going to get a long, long way, or a lot more of a longer way than you ever thought you would. So you just literally need to believe in yourself and be confident within you, what you do.
I'm really happy. I wish you good luck and I love you loads.
Thank you. I love you loads too.
So you excited about the competition?
I'm so excited but so nervous at the same time.
Well, I don't have any doubts that you won't win. I knew that you were gonna, if you entered anything, that you would get through. It was just about when you would take the chance to audition for something. So I'm very proud of you for taking that step forward after a lot of hard difficulties in life.
Are you excited about the auditions?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And because you're going to be doing mostly your own material, isn't it?
That's what I like to do. I mean, I can do covers, but...
And do you support yourself, like with the guitar or something?
Yeah. So I play different instruments, but lately I've been playing acoustic guitar.
So how are you feeling, Chow?
Oh, really nervous. I want to do the best I can so I can build my confidence up, maybe start a career in musical.
I'm sure you'll build your confidence. Look at Melissa when she started. She had no confidence whatsoever, and now look at her. Just go out there and do your best. That's all you can do.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, you know, Lord's going to be hard work, don't it? But all the family's going to be behind it, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So you know that the most important thing in life is to enjoy yourself and have fun. So that's what matters to us, and that's what should matter to you.
Yeah, I'm kind of the same. I don't really use backing tracks because to me the performance on the instrument is part of how I'm expressing myself, and it kind of
Exactly.
goes together with the voice.
Yeah, getting the emotion through.
Yeah.
Because you know where you stand with regards to the music itself. And yeah.
Yeah, so with the two, it's like it brings out the emotion more, I think.
I agree,
So, yeah, I much prefer to perform.
So I've gone through this process before, obviously, and as you go on, your confidence will build and it will get easier, and you will want to do more with it. And I know you'll do really good anyway. So yeah.
I just want you to know that I love you lots, and I think you could go very far in this competition and further in life through singing and performing, because that's what you love doing.
Thank you, babe.
I know how much you love singing, and I know you're going to be amazing, and you're going to enjoy every minute, and just enjoy the process.
I'm very proud of you, Charlie, and you know you can do it, and I know you can do it, and good luck, and you know you're my favourite anyway, and you're really good at singing, and I'm very proud of you.